Hello, Klaus here, and welcome back to yet another video here at this channel. So this channel is all about learning Davinci Resolve, filmmaking tips and tricks, and having a look at some cool gear. And if you are into that, please consider subscribing. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up a microphone to Davinci Resolve so you can do your voiceovers right inside of Davinci Resolve. And I am going to use a USB microphone for this setup because that is the easiest way to do it, at least for the things I am doing. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Let's go into Davinci Resolve. Okay, so here I am in Fairlight in Davinci Resolve, and I'm just going to start to set up this project here. So first off, I need to go to my preferences here, and I need to go down to capture and playback. And if I go down to this where I have my capture, I'm going to, so per default, this is where my recordings would be saved, and just to make sure that this is set up correctly. So that's just fine. And then in the Fairlight page, I'm going to go here to the inputs, and here I have the no inputs selected. So I'm going to push that, and I'm going to put in a input. So let's put in a input. And then we have this box coming up. And what I want to select is, I want to select where my USB microphone are. And in this case, I am using the Rode NGT video mic, and I know that it's right here, so I'm going to select this as my audio input, and then I have a track input, and I'm going to use just track 1 here. I'm going to use track audio 1 and audio 2 left and right, and I'm just going to push patch. That's done now. So when I go down here, we should have a signal with my microphone as well. So I go here and I push this R button, and as you see right now, I do have a signal through, and that's what we want. So let's do a little bit of a recording here. So I'll go up here and I push this record button. And now I can absolutely directly talk what I want, and I can record my voiceovers inside of Davinci Resolve 16's Fusion. Hopefully this gives sense. And you can use this if you're doing voiceovers and stuff like that. It's a very nice thing. And when you're done recording, you can just stop recording and then push the R again. And it's now not aimed at that track anymore. And now we have our playback here, and we can just run that. And I can record my voiceovers inside of. And then, of course, we can add all the sound effects we want. So it's a very nice feature, and we can also use this to dub our films if we wanted to do that. Maybe we'll have a look into that another time. But this is just how would you patch in a USB microphone. Anyway, I do hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it with your friends if you think it will help them out, and if you want to be notified every time there is a new video on the channel, please hit that bell icon down in the corner. Until next time, keep filming, keep learning, and keep sharing.